Have you ever thought about how many muscles are used during welding, and that there is a distinction between muscular strain and subjective strain during welding? Let me explain it to you shortly. Of course, every person and also every welder is different. They have different fitness conditions, and so using a welding torch, depending on the individual condition, you feel a different load. So it's very important to have a scientific method to really determine the muscular strain. And the so-called electromyography is perfectly suited for this, because you have electric signals that directly correlate with the muscular strain. And such a study was carried out by the Institute of Sports Medicine from the University of Gießen, and this time especially for fume extraction torches.